got a bag of screws! Guys, I'm not screwed after all. Or maybe I am. Boom. I got a few screws loose. Shut your mouth. We've dealt with tighter holes before, you know? It went in all right. Does Pia have a child building her PC? Shut the heck! Schwarzbruder, I swear to God, I'm gonna snap off your fingers and I'm gonna sew them onto my own. If I can have the yowie hands I always dreamed of having. Bottom? Whoa, you can't just call me that. But I have 2 males and I don't know what to do with them. Except for maybe breed them excessively, but I don't, like, other than that, I don't. If you didn't tell me the right hole to put it in, then you're an a-hole. Well, it didn't give me a satisfying click, but I tried to pull it out and it didn't pull out, so that's great. Pia's pull-out game weak? What do you mean my pull-out game's weak? What do you mean? It's strong. It's strong. God, you're so big. You're so big. Why are you so evil? Thanks, you're pretty big too. She's so big, man.